Do you want to see me make the most complicated drink I've ever made before? Of course you do. So I was like, pumpkin gets too much credit. Why don't we play with butternut squash? But I completely forgot how to peel and chop a butternut squash. Oh, look, I got a little bit better towards the end. Then I tried to cut it. I had peeled it, so it should have been so much easier to cut at that point. Oh, got a little bit cut. I need a break. Legitimately, I was like, I need a break from this. This is making me exhausted. Show some for the camera. Good job. And I was like, okay, just so close to being done. We're so close to being done. Nope. There's that break I needed. Legitimately, like, am I going to call my partner in? Can I keep doing this? I'm going to keep trying to do it. And wow, I actually cut all the way through. Kind of. Legitimately can't believe it. Why is butternut squash so hard to deal with? I was like, oh, I'm not doing enough, so might as well roast some of the seeds as a topping because everyone wants a seed topping on a mocktail, right? Then I decided to break the fourth wall and give a little update for some reason. So at this point, the butternut squash is in the cooking vessel. It's making a hissing sound. The butternut squash won't wash off of my fingers, and I'm starting to wonder if this is going to be a 2-day process. The seeds were getting roasty and smelling really good. The butternut squash was starting to boil and get soft. I added some ice cubes to the bottom of my food processor just to cool it down a little bit when I added the really hot butternut squash, and it also helps break down the fibers a little better. We finally made it to the part of the video where I make the mocktail. So I do 2 ounces of ish non-alcoholic gin alternative. I did the juice from half of an orange. I did about a tablespoon of the butternut squash puree and 1 ounce of the winter spice syrup, fresh ice, and then I topped it off with a light ginger beer. Wait till you see how well that went. Oh, I still can't find that lid. It flew so far in my kitchen. Then I dipped some oranges in cinnamon sugar for garnish and topped with the pumpkin seeds that were kind of weird in a mocktail. So the drink did get finished today. The puree turned out a lot thicker than I expected, but I think that's okay. The drink itself, like, I'm not super happy with it. I think I used a little bit too much of the winter spice syrup. And next time I'll either just do like a plain simple syrup and add maybe some ginger and cinnamon, or maybe just a cinnamon syrup. The winter spice syrup I think was a little too sweet, but overall the drink's good. I think it's really pretty. I love the color of the butternut squash. Overall, good drink. Could do with a little bit of improvement. If you've ever wondered what it's like to clean up after a video,